Hello everyone. If you're watching this, you missed day one of our second week of Foundations of Tech. Let's take a look at what you missed. This week is, of course, the start of our electricity unit, but before we can get there, we've got to finish up our design challenge. Remember, the design challenge was started in a previous week, so please go watch a video from there if you need a full overview of the assignment. This week we are just finishing up the tail end, so I'm going to discuss what I expect for that second part of the assignment, and also talk a little bit about electricity, which is our next big thing. But before we get to that, material distribution. So these are materials that you probably would have a really tough time obtaining on your own. So I highly recommend that you come to the school either Wednesday or Thursday. That would be the 7th and 11th to pick up the materials. Now it's likely that Friday will also be a materials pickup day, although I cannot promise you that yet, but I will update you once I know more. And then likely next week as well, probably Monday and Tuesday. I will personally be at the school Saturday the 20th. That's not this upcoming weekend, but the next one, to hand out the materials as well. That'll be the last day to collect them because we will be using them after that. So please make sure you come. There will be things in there like wire, resistors, LEDs, a nail to make an electromagnet, a magnet. So all kinds of things that might be a little tricky to acquire on your own. Now what are we doing today? We're finishing up the design assignment. So the design assignment, if you recall, is posted on MyMCPS under modules. You can see it posted here under week 2 and of course under week 1 as well. If you open it up, recall that you were gathering information from one of your classmates or maybe somebody outside of class about what their interests, their possessions that they carry around with them are, their hobbies, what makes them tick. Hopefully you had come up with some sketches. Remember, these did not have to be specifically detailed. They just had to be ideas for how you could ultimately make your client feel a specific way while meeting their needs. Once you've got that, you need to get some feedback. So this is a new section. You need to get your partner and show them what you come up with. Then your partner should tell you how they feel about your design. Do they like certain aspects of it? Do they not like them? You need to dig deep and actually figure out what exactly your partner likes or doesn't like. Do not just accept, oh, I like that one. Why do they like that one? Is it the particular shape of the product? Is it the color, the material, the logo? What is it that they like? A specific feature? That's what you're looking for. Once you've got your feedback, draw some conclusions. My partner really likes X, Y, and Z, therefore my final product is going to have those attributes. Your final product is worth 4 points. You draw it down here. I would like you to give me a slightly nicer sketch than your initial one, and please include dimensions in this one. So that would be the width, the height, and the length of whatever you're making. So it needs to be drawn in perspective, so I can see 3 sides of it, and then you just need to tell me how large it is. What kind of box would be the smallest box possible to contain this object. That'll be sufficient. And then there's just a couple of questions to answer here at the bottom, 6 of them to be precise, each worth a point. And I think these are pretty self-explanatory. If you have any trouble with any of these sections, or your partner's gone AWOL on you, or any kind of issue like that, please don't hesitate to email me. I'm happy to work with you and find solutions. Otherwise, I'm expecting this to be turned in by midnight on Wednesday the 10th. If that's, for whatever reason, not going to happen, please make sure you email me so we can work out some arrangements around an extension. Otherwise, that is my expectation. The deadline for this assignment is going to be March 1st. So I will not accept any more submissions for this assignment after March 1st. After Wednesday the 10th, you lose 10%. After March 1st, I will not take it. Please make sure you submit it before March 1st. I think you should have plenty of time. And again, I'm happy to work with you if you need that help, but you gotta let me know. I'm not just going to magically know you need assistance. Unfortunately, I can't do that over the internet. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time.